natural duck guy that I am, I first thought of doing this all single wall, not to ensure spec. So what I ended up doing was actually spending the $330 to get the Duravent pellet vent set. Kit comes with all the necessary piping you need. It's 3/8 insulation, double wall, so the outside temperature doesn't reach past 130 degrees. It comes with thimbles. It comes with the stainless steel outer adjustable elbow, so you can point this thing away from bushes or trees or kids. This particular unit is a freestanding St. Croix Prescott EXL, and it holds up to a 40-pound bag. And it has to be installed 4 inches at least cleared from the wall. And this is how I went through the window and not the wall. This kit comes with a 1-inch clearance of combustibles bracket. I felt that was a little too close to the wall, even with a heat shield, so I ended up making a 5-inch bracket instead. Another change I had made after running it was adding another 12-inch length to this, so it dumps out a little bit more past everything.
But why pellets?
There were a couple of reasons associated with why I did this. First of all, pellet stoves on the marketplace are relatively cheap. This is an 18-year-old St. Croix unit, and I found it on Facebook Marketplace for around $400. So I picked it up. Also, the venting, I found a Tractor Supply for about $350. Total, that's not really that bad considering wood stove's double wall insulated stainless is well over $3 grand, especially for this application. I wouldn't be able to just dump out the side of the house. I'd have to go all the way up, which is about probably 25 feet. just to match with the existing chimney. The second reason would be that pellets are widely available, and you can get them at Lowe's, Home Depot, any hardware store even. They and of course they come in bags, so they're not contaminated with bugs or dirt or anything. So you don't have to worry about stacking dirty wood in your house, or I could just put all my bags in my basement and not worry about a thing. This unit itself doesn't get all that bad. It's actually quite cool to the touch, as opposed to a wood stove, which would be super hot if you touched any part of it. Being able to shut off the fire on demand was a plus for me. If I ever had to leave, or I had to go to work and I didn't want to run this thing, I could just shut it off. Just flick of a switch to just shut it off and the fire goes out within 10 minutes. As opposed to a wood stove, which you'd have to wait for the coals to die down. You'd have to choke it up and close it up. It's really, this is a little more convenient for me. All in all, this was a relatively easy install. I'd advocate anybody, especially in this time period, to go out and do something alternative as far as heating goes. Oil's not getting any cheaper, and this seems to be a quick, easy buyout. Anyway, that's it for today. Enjoy my new hobby associated with this. See you next time.